These falafels are so quick and easy. Once you learn the recipe, you're gonna be making them regularly, I promise you. Hey guys, welcome to Campbell Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you an awesome falafel recipe. Now this is so incredibly delicious, packed with herbs, packed with protein, and these warm spices. You're gonna love it. Give it a try. Okay, so let's start off by soaking our chickpeas. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of dried chickpeas, and I put them in a bowl, completely cover them with water, and add about a teaspoon of baking soda. That baking soda is gonna make them nice and soft when you grind them. The recipe will be in the description, but we're starting with our chickpeas, our herbs, our onions and garlic, and spices like salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, cumin, coriander, and a little bit of Aleppo. I'm also using rice flour, which helps keep it together. You can use regular flour or potato flour or just omit this entirely. Once we have everything prepared, we're going to grind it all together. We're going to use the smallest die and we're going to grind it as fine as possible. If you don't have a grinder, use a food processor. A food processor works just fine. Now we're going to mix in our spices, our salt, and our flour, and we're going to just mix it really well until it's well combined. And you can see that mixture is green. That's from all those fresh herbs. I like to use a little 3-ounce ice cream scoop. You can really use any shape that you want. You just don't want a large circle because the center will stay raw once they're fried if they're too large. So I use a 3-ounce scoop, I flatten them out a little bit, and those fry up really, really nice. So first I start by rolling them in my hand, and then I just kind of pat them to flatten them out a little bit. And this recipe yielded me 6 beautiful balls. If you watched some of my previous videos, you guys know the drill on oil. I'm using peanut oil. Use whatever oil you like that fries well. Heat it up to 350 and fry these bad boys up for about 4 to 5 minutes. They should be pretty dark. You don't want them lightly golden. You want them nice and crusty. And you also want the center to be hot. This is exactly what you're looking for. It's like a deep golden brown color, almost like a dark brown, but you don't want them to be burnt, okay? You don't want like dark black color. You want just like a dark brown, just like that. Those are perfect. Season them up with just a little salt. Let them cool on a wire rack, and you're ready to enjoy them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found some value in this content. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for next week's video. Have a good one, you guys.